Now I'm going to paint these today out in the open. We've got a little bit of wind today, so I've got to be careful I don't get any spray onto the camera, which is why I've had to set the camera back a bit and to zoom in. I'm sorry if this isn't going to be a particularly good view. Try maybe and turn them, try and get a bit of a view. Okay, that'll do for a first dust over. Time for another coat, I think. Let's go get the paint. Well, that just ruined it. Right, we'll leave that to dry. I'll put another coat on, I think, and then I'll call it at that. I've used about half a tin of the paint, so we'll see how that goes. The sun has come back out again, which has helped towards the drying. These do feel nice and dry now. Feels very, very slightly tacky actually. I don't think they have dried thoroughly. Yes, yeah, it does. It has a very slightly tacky feeling. Another thing I notice is that these areas, when I put this together, parts of it aren't going to look painted. So I think what I will do, I will tape off these faces here, and then I'll give it a quick blow, quick spray over, just to blacken these areas. Right, we've got a bit of masking tape. I suppose really I should be a bit more cautious than I am being, because as I'm pressing down on this, of course I'm pressing the painted face into the cloth, which may be making it, yeah, I thought it might be, it's made it stick, and you can see the damage that has done to that face. Damn. Well, that was stupid, wasn't it? What can I do about that? If I get newspaper, the newspaper is going to stick to it. No matter what I do, I don't think that's going to solve it. I think what I'm going to do is leave it to dry for longer. We've got some damage here already as well. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh well. Yep, I think I'm going to have to leave that to bake on even longer. Well, having given it an hour in the sun, let's see if I can now carefully. Oh, I'm so worried about this. Let's see if I can cut cut away these edges. There we go, that'll do it. Trim around those edges very, very roughly. Now to give it a quick dust over.